डायरेक्ट कोडिंग करने मत जाओ, पहले लॉजिक पेपर पे लिखो क्या करोगे एंड देन कोडिंग के लिए जाओ। आपके पास 30 मिनट्स है, 25 मिनट्स लॉजिक के लिए है और सिर्फ 5 मिनट कोडिंग के लिए, क्योंकि कोडिंग 10 लाइन से ज्यादा नहीं होगा।
Hello everyone, welcome to Unfiltered XP. Today me and my friend Aniket welcome you for your unfiltered experiences, and our friend Bhavesh is here to share his experience about getting into TCS Digital. So yeah, Bhavesh, just tell us how it started, like registration process.
Yeah. So firstly, the registration starts from the NQT website. Firstly, we have to register on it, and then we have to fill the application form from the Next Step portal.
So how was the exam? Means how many type of question? What type of questions were there?
Yeah. So the exam includes five sections, including a coding section, and they are verbal ability, reasoning ability, numerical ability, or quantitative aptitude, then programming logic, and at last coding.
So what were the level of difficulty with these questions?
So it is basic to medium level. They are not very hard questions. Mainly the verbal abilities are easy and quant are bit hard.
So I guess there were two rounds for the digital section. So what were the type of question in the second round for digital?
Yeah, so for in first round, the coding level is basic to medium, and it includes two questions. Like one is basic level and other is medium level. So in second round, there are again two questions, 60 minutes, and both the questions are medium level. So if you divide like 30 minutes each.
So, where did you prepare the questions from? Like Kase Geeks for Geeks or somewhere else?
So aptitude, I referred RS Agrawal and India Bix. For programming, Geeks for Geeks is a good option, and Face Prep, and there is a Prep Insta website where you can get the previous questions also.
Okay, so
Okay, so
uh, can you recall how many days went for your research and all the process?
Yeah, so first when the registration happens, it takes 10 to 15 days to get the exam link and give the exam when the exam is scheduled. And then the results are announced in another 15 days. Like if you are selected for digital, you will get a link for digital exam. Otherwise, you are selected for Ninja and you will get the interview. And if you give the digital exam, and then it takes another 15 days to scheduling of the interview and results. After the interview happens, it takes another a month for the final result.
भावेश कितने पैनलिस्ट थे कैसे स्टार्ट हुआ इंटरव्यू?
सो इंटरव्यू स्टार्ट हुआ था इंट्रोडक्शन, एंड तीन पैनलिस्ट थे, एक टेक्निकल, एक एचआर, एक मैनेजरियल. The questions were very basic, like what is OOP, OOP के 6 concepts कौन से हैं, डीएसए, डीएसए में कौन से डेटा स्ट्रक्चर्स आते हैं. So बहुत बेसिक लेवल क्वेश्चंस थे. मैनेजरियल में लाइक वाई टीसीएस, very basic question, like any if you go in any interview, you will get this question, why this company. So very basic questions, and they are like if you have any other offer, like would you prefer TCS or that company. uh, yeah.
So these are like more like HR questions. I want to know more about technical. Like there were some questions from sorting or like DSA or DBM, like that.
Yeah. So there were only basic questions like what is OOP, what are concepts of OOP, what is the data structure, which language do you prefer, and like questions related to specific languages, like asking keywords like static, what is static keyword used for, and like there are many language specific question you can get them, like if you even Google like C++ interview questions, you will get that questions. And there is nothing out of basic, like only basic question you will get it in the first link if you Google it.
So, what tips you want to give to the freshers or the जो स्टूडेंट्स अभी एनक्यूटी के लिए अपियर करने वाले हैं उनको क्या टिप्स दोगे, मतलब कहाँ से पढ़ना चाहिए, अगर कितना पढ़ना चाहिए ऐसा?
सो एप्टीट्यूड के लिए आर एस अग्रवाल और इंडिया बिक्स। और अगर एग्जाम्पल्स चाहिए कि कैसे क्वेश्चन आते हैं तो पेप इंस्टा बेस्ट है। एंड एक और चीज जो ध्यान में रखने के लिए है कि 5 सेक्शन होते हैं इसमें। सो हर सेक्शन का अलग टाइमिंग है, अलग क्वेश्चंस है। सो अगर आप फॉर एग्जांपल वर्बल इजी है, आप वर्बल अगर गिवन टाइम फॉर एग्जांपल 30 मिनट्स उसके पहले भी खत्म कर लेते हो, 10 मिनट में भी खत्म कर लेते हो, तो भी आपको वो टाइम अगले सेक्शन में यूटिलाइज करने को नहीं मिलेगा। और एक चीज आपको वो 20 मिनट्स भी वेट करना पड़ेगा अगले सेक्शन स्टार्ट करने से पहले। सो स्लो एंड स्टेडी, लाइक जितना टाइम अलॉटेड है क्वेश्चन के लिए उतना दो, जल्दी भी नहीं करना है, लेट भी नहीं करना है, जस्ट कीप इट राइट।
तो भावेश, लाइक बहुत सारे प्लेसमेंट पेपर्स में ये देखा गया है कि लाइक सेक्शनल कट ऑफ भी होती है। तो वाज देयर एनी सेक्शनल कट ऑफ लाइक इन दिस पेपर इन क्यूटी?
So for digital के लिए I guess you have to solve both the coding questions. Like they are very basic. If you want, I can give the example.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah. So like I got a question. Like there is a jar of chocolates, and the maximum limit of chocolates is given. Like a jar can store only 10 chocolates. Okay. So if a customer comes and asks for chocolates, like I want 5 chocolates, and then you have to find how much chocolates are left after that. So that is very basic question. Maximum limit 10
Yeah.
minus 5, you have 5 left, right? And the medium level question was like there are 3 runners and they run 3 rounds of ground, and the timing was given. So you have to find the average timing of each runner and which is the fastest. So finding average is very easy, like add all the 3 timings and divide by 3, and then find which is the greatest among the 3. So these are very basic questions, and like I gave the example of second one. The same level of question was asked in the digital exam, but there were both the levels was medium level.
So, like for coding purpose, what will be your suggestion or tips कि coding questions कहाँ से prepare करें, like
So
या
पहले तो
कौन
basic
से
clear
topics
करो।
से?
या सो बेसिक क्लियर करना पहले बहुत जरूरी है। लॉजिक डायरेक्ट कोडिंग करने मत जाओ, पहले लॉजिक पेपर पे लिखो क्या करोगे, एंड देन कोडिंग के लिए जाओ। आपके पास 30 मिनट्स है, 25 मिनट्स लॉजिक के लिए है और सिर्फ 5 मिनट कोडिंग के लिए, क्योंकि कोडिंग 10 लाइन से ज्यादा नहीं होगा। तो पहले लॉजिक फिगर आउट कर लो आराम से, देन कोडिंग के लिए जाओ।
So, this was it. So Bhavesh got selected into TCS Digital with package of 7 lakh per annum, and congratulations to him. And thank you, Bhavesh, for sharing your experience with us. And if you have any queries, then just comment down in the comment box, and we will sort them out.
So that was it for today. We have Bhavesh with us, who shared his TCS digital interview experience. We will be coming up with more experiences of exams, preparations, and all the interview experiences and many more. So please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more updates. Thank you.
Thank you.